Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the error first. When I go to system settings here and then go to accounts, sign in options, and when I want to enable this fingerprint on my system, it is saying we could not find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. So this option is grayed out in my system. If the same issue is happening with you, so this video is for you. I will show you how you can fix this issue. So we will go step by step. So let's begin now. First of all, what you need to check is make sure its service is running. Open the services on the search bar, type services, run it as admin. Even you can right click on it and simply run it as admin. Now look for Windows Biometric Service. Click anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard to look for Windows Biometric Service. Here we go. Windows Biometric Service. Right click on it and look for properties and make sure the startup type is automatically. If it is stop like this is not going to work. So what you can do is make it automatic. Start the service, then click on apply and then click on simply OK. And once you click on apply and OK and its status is running, you can restart the service again. Now once this is fixed and it is running now, check back if that option is highlighted or not. If that option is still not highlighted, then we can move on to the next step now. So now next step is if it is already present on your system and it was working fine, then you can remove the older one and then you can set up the new one. But if it is still not running and opening, then we can go to here update and Windows update and security and check for update. And this will ensures that all the pending updates is completed on your Windows, and after that everything should be working fine. So this is the step number 2. Now if this is also doesn't help you, if this is also not working on your system, then open CMD as admin and run this command sfc /scan now. So this command will scan your system file corruptions, and I have already done that. Just to show you, it will show like this. If you found any corruption on your Windows, it will say the found corruption and fix, repair some of them. But if it says that unable to repair it, then you may have to reinstall the fresh window on your system. And if it says that Windows could not find any integrity violation, that means that OS level corruption is not present on your system. Then simply go ahead and restart your computer now, and everything should be working fine. Now if your issue is also not resolved, then open a device manager simply from here. And now once you see device manager here, look for the options, this option, your system host name on the top. Okay, and right click on it and click on scan for hardware changes, and it will scan the hardware changes on your system. And if this is also unable to fix your issue, then you can look for the any yellow explanation mark driver on your system. Even especially go for the human interface devices and look for any yellow explanation mark on your system. Otherwise you can right click on it and simply update that driver. So this is the video guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.